In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save projects from CapCut. If you're editing a video and want to make sure your work is safely saved, CapCut gives you a couple of simple ways to do it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how saving works inside the editor, and I'll also explain how to export and download your finished project when you're ready. First, open your project in CapCut. Once you're inside the editor, you can continue working on your video as usual. That might include trimming clips, adding text, adjusting audio, inserting effects, or making any other changes you need. The important thing to know is that CapCut often saves your progress automatically, so in many cases you don't need to manually save every small change. After you make your edits, give it a few seconds. This short pause allows CapCut to process and save the changes in the background. To confirm that your project has been saved, look at the top left area of the screen. You should see a cloud icon with a check mark on it. That check mark is the visual confirmation that your latest edits have been saved successfully. If you've made several changes in a row, it's a good habit to wait briefly before closing the project just to make sure everything syncs properly. If instead you want to save the project as a downloadable video file, there's another option. Go to the top right corner and click Export. From the drop-down menu, choose Download. This opens the export settings where you can configure how your video will be saved to your device. Here you can set details like the project name, resolution, quality, frame rate, and format. These settings control the final output of your video, so choose the options that best fit where you plan to use it. For example, a higher resolution and quality will usually give you a sharper result, but it may also create a larger file size. Once everything looks right, click Export to start the download process. That's all there is to it. To quickly save your editing progress, simply wait for the cloud icon with the check mark. And if you need a finished video file, use the Export and Download option with your preferred settings. With those two methods, you can confidently save your work in CapCut and avoid losing your progress.